Hi guys, Kim Cash here. It's December 12th and I'm just going to take my present off of my advent calendar and share with you, oops, what it is. Let's see. Somebody was seriously wrapping this. It's an aroma diffuser, so I won't smell stinky. This is for my daughter, I know. Thank you, Kara. Hi guys, I'm just getting ready to go to bed, and I was just going to take a minute to tell you guys that I really appreciate you watching my little videos. I've been trying to spend my time getting ready for the holidays and doing crafting and baking, and the remodeling project kind of threw us into a bit of a chaotic frenzy. So I just wanted to tell you that this weekend I've spent a lot of time sanding floors and ripping up carpet, ripping up tile, chipping away old linoleum, and in the bedroom painting and sanding floors. And I just got the first layer of, or the first coat of Varathane on the back hallway. So it's really starting to look nice, and I'm hoping that I'll have it all done this weekend and we can get the house back into its normal chaotic mess. And so I just thought I'd give you a little update about what's going on around the house with my Christmas projects, what I've been working on, and what the remodeling projects have been around the house. My husband loves to do woodworking and carpentry, and I like to do crafting, and so together we kind of spend a lot of time doing different projects, either around the house or like our little paper origami for Christmas. And we've done some cross-stitching where he's helped me make ornaments out of some of my cross-stitch projects, and I'm going to show you some of those in the next couple days. I'm hoping to get those done. I'm also working on my gnome shirts that we're going to use for our Christmas photo. I want to get a photo of the entire family with our little silly gnome shirts on, and I just enjoy having thematic kind of things for the holidays. And so I'm going to, in this video, show you guys a couple of the gnome shirts that I've been working on. I've been doing red ones for the boys and white ones for the girls, and I'm putting little beards on them, on the ones for the boys, and then I'm also thinking about putting some jingle bells on the hats. I have been putting little pom-poms on them. Anyway, I've been just doing some different projects. I'm also going to do some knitting projects. I want to do some, well, I don't want to say it on here just in case any of my kids get on there, but I'm going to do some knitting projects. So I hope that if you guys like crafting and baking, because I am going to do some more baking projects, I'm going to do some ebeskiva, which are little round ball, kind of like pancakes, but they're little balls, and those are a Scandinavian breakfast. So I'm going to be making some of those and doing some other Scandinavian dishes, and then some traditional cookies that my mom used to make. Anyway, I've got some things in the works that I'm going to get back to. This weekend's been just filled with the remodeling of the back bedroom and the hallway, and so I know that's not really Christmassy, but I just wanted to share some of these things with you and update you. And once again, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. And if you do enjoy crafting, would you subscribe to my channel and maybe give me a comment to tell me what kind of crafting you enjoy. And I would love to go and visit your site if you have a blog or if you're involved in Vlogmas. I have been visiting other sites. I should make a list of those. Maybe tomorrow or Monday I'll make a list of those, because there's a lot of great Vlogmas blogs and blog posts out there if you enjoy crafting, and I'll share some of my favorites. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you what this video is kind of about and why it's kind of a hodgepodge of different things that I'm doing, and it's because this weekend's been chaotic. Anyway, just thanks again for watching.